Another access modifier that we can use beside private and public is the read-only. So for example, I can have this name inside of this class, and I can say this name is gonna be read-only, right? Which means that once this name is set, it cannot be changed. And I can show you a quick example. So if I go ahead and delete this line, and I go down here inside of this method, and then I say this.name, and then I try to set it equal to, let's say, something else, right? You can already see that it's giving me an error because I define it as a read-only property. And if you really want to, you can make all of your properties read-only. So whatever work that is being done inside of the class with these properties, then these properties cannot be changed. The way that they were passed inside of the constructor is the way that they're going to be. So if I try to assign a new name here, then it's going to give me an error. As you can see, it says this is a read-only property and you cannot change it. So that's another safety that you can add in your application or in your class, so that you make sure that once a property is assigned once, then it cannot be assigned again because it's a read-only property. And when we assign it is by calling the constructor like this. So when we call the constructor, we pass in junior to this name and this value is set. And now if we try to change it, even though we're inside of the class, we're using the this keyword, we still can't change it because it's a read-only property. And you could do the same thing if you are defining those properties at the class level. So you would just add the read-only keyword here. So you would say read only, and then you would do it for both of them if you wanted to. So you define the private and then read only and then the name of the property. Let me get rid of this. All right, so that's another access modifier that you can add in your, in your properties in your class, and that's gonna add more restriction when dealing with this class and the properties inside of it.